Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Print Preview via File Print or pressing Ctrl+P. This puts you directly into the environment where changes matter. Once done, choose the correct printer and paper size so what you adjust matches the output. Make sure orientation and margin presets are visible. They determine how content flows on the page. If a document has headers or footers, view them now so your later scaling and layout choices won't unexpectedly cut content. Next, you handle the mid-level details that control final appearance. Change orientation and margins to optimize space. Orientation flips layout and margins affect trimming. Use scaling or fit to page to shrink wide content without reflowing text. This avoids awkward line breaks. Adjust headers, footers, and column settings so they don't collide with body text. If available, preview page breaks and move them. This prevents orphan lines and keeps tables intact across pages for a professional print. To finish, pick color versus black and white, set paper source and quality so print cost and look match your needs. Then print one test page to confirm alignment, margins, and that no content is cut off. If something still looks wrong, revert scaling to 100% or restore default margins. Make sure the correct printer driver is selected and updated. Driver mismatches can alter spacing. Finally, save your custom settings as a preset if you'll reuse them to speed future prints.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.